Assalamualaikum, how are you guys? I'm Aminur from New Tech, and today I'm gonna talk about some really cool Android app that you should use in 2020. So before we get started, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post some new videos. And I'm really sorry for this setup because I just brought the new PC and it's not done yet. So return to the video topic. Let's get to this video started.
Okay guys, so the first app that we're gonna talk about today is Activity Bubbles. It's totally free on the Play Store and it requires a really low space on your phone. So you don't need to worry about the space on your phone. So once it's installed, you just need to press open. And then something like, okay, sorry for the focus. Please focus. Yeah, you just need to hit the set wallpaper at the bottom of your screen. And then upside you can click the set wallpaper, and then you can use it as a home screen and lock screen, and you can also use as a home screen. I'm using just for a home screen because I like this. Yeah, so as you can see, it's really black background here where just white one ball which is really small, and after that on depending on your phone using, the bubbles will get bigger, and the low time you use your phone, the bubbles will getting shorter. So in this way you can, at the end of the day, it will be full. So the benefits of having this app is it will control your over uses of phone, and it looks really good. And the second app that we're gonna talk about today is Google Keep. It's a really awesome app from Google and you can trust it, and it's a awesome online notepad. Yeah, as you can see, I have just installed the Google Keep Note, and here's some things that I used to use it. And you just need to open a new tab and give it a title. I'm just writing test as a title, and then here's some features. You can take image, choose image, drawing, record something, and task. I really enjoy the task features here because whenever I go and I need to do something work, I just wrote here, and then whenever I go outside, I done that work, and then just tab here and it's just cross. It means it's done, which is really handy, and I really like this feature so much. Yeah, you can also draw something here, like anything that you want. The features is really good. And now we're gonna talk about the PC features. So here's an extension of Google Chrome, and when you go there you can see all the things that you have done on your phone, and you can edit here or do open a new tab and give a title, just test, and write anything that you want to do outside. Yeah, so the main thing that whatever you are doing here, it will be automatically updated on your phone app.
So that is it for today, guys. This was just a demo segment from where I want to know if you guys really enjoy these types of segment or these types of video from where I bring up some awesome apps for your Android phone, for Android phone, for iOS, and for the PC. So yeah, let me know and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.